Welcome to Subramani. This is a little more philosophical approach about what is spending, what is wasting, what is saving, and what is investing. A little more philosophical approach than the typical English meaning to these words. So, spending is when you incur time and money on yourself, and this is normally called spending your time, spending your money. And but if I twist it a little and say spending should do good for you, then we may look at it a little differently than what assuming then is eating junk food spending or is eating junk food wasting. What about the time spent in buying and eating that junk food? Is that time invested? Is that time wasted? Right? So, what about the time spent at the doctor's clinic because of the junk food that you ate? What about the money spent on medicines which you had to consume because of that? What about the money spent in buying the medicine, not being able to go to office and therefore losing out on opportunities to earn money? Is that money spent, money wasted, or money saved? Right? What about the extra fat created in the body? Right? What about the extra exercise that you have to do to burn it out? Now, if you take all that as the cost of junk food, tell me, is junk food expensive or is it cheap? Right? And what about now compare it to the time spent on cooking? Is it a good investment? Is it a good investment to buy vegetables and pulses in the market and make your own food? Is that time well spent, or is that time well invested? Right? These are the questions. So when you do all this, do you realize how expensive junk food has been? Do you realize how some so-called cheap cheap footwear that you bought and that harmed your leg, or it caused shin pain or things like that, right? So is that an investment? Is that money saved? Is that money spent, or is that money wasted? So think hard before every decision. Are you saving money? Are you spending money? Are you wasting money, or are you investing money? So where does cooking qualify? Is cooking a good time spent? I think so. What you eat decides on how long you think you will live and how healthy you are, because living long seems to be a given. There is an epidemic of longevity, but the question is how healthy you live and how well you live is in your hands. It's your choice. So when you see your bank statement, your credit card statement, and see how much of money has been spent, how much has been saved, and how much has been invested, then you suddenly start looking at it slightly differently. Similarly, when you give money for charity, you give money for charity because you think there is a cause there, somebody is working on it, and that person deserves that help. That is definitely money invested, not just in terms of getting ATG benefit and feeling a sense of relief, but helping somebody to help others is again a very positive way of looking at it. So therefore, money given to charity is definitely an investment. And see how much you're wasting on other things, right? Money spent on buying, say, a wrong financial product, that is money wasted, time wasted. If you had spent a little time in learning about the product, thanks to Google, you'll find enough number of serious websites and blogs which tell you the truth about that product. Any product that you want to buy, why not spend some time investing some time? Let's put it this way: don't spend time, invest your time, invest your brain power, invest in talking to people, invest in reading blogs and finding out about the product much before you actually go and buy the product, right? When should you be asking? There's a nice story of Kumbhakarna. Ravana sends people to wake him up, and then he asks Kumbhakarna, should I go and fight Rama? So Kumbhakarna says, tell me the whole story. So there's the whole story. Ravana says, there was this beautiful woman, I liked her, I brought her here, I kept her here for almost a year. Now her husband has come to fight me. So Kumbhakarna starts laughing and he says, what have you done? If it's in human form, it is fairly obvious that it is Narayana who has come to kill you and me. So that's it. We just need to give up. And far more importantly, that's not so important. What is important is, when should have you asked me? You should have asked me before you brought Sita. You did all those things. Now when the consequences are here, you're asking me what is to be done. It is just wrong timing. So understand one thing and realize that even if you're seeking advice, seek advice before you do the deal, so that money is money, time and effort. Remember, the research done on a product before you buy the product is excellent time spent. It is time invested, right? It is not time wasted, because after you sign the check and buy the product and you paid premium of unit linked and 15 days have passed, you can't do a shit about it, right? So know how to spend your time and how to spend your money and how to spend your health. See how much is spending, how much is saving, how much is wasting and how much is investing. Finding out before you do the event is your most important investment. Thank you.